Big up Crosses TV.
Boy, cause TV has some content there, you man.
So my front a stay frownsy from 9 o'clock in the morning till one junkin man one left the bar 1 o'clock at night. Me could do it. I walk off a blood clot walk. Me not used to them something. Remember say, me dey America. And me I used to fi work me $10, me $15 hour. And me if you come.
Slavery.
If you come to Jamaica, come work in a one bar from 9 o'clock to blood clot.
No, no, it
One
not
o'clock
go
at
up.
night. And you dey pay them when me I get a week time. I could do it. Me did have to move. Me have to anything for me blood clot come out of that blood clot darkest. That a dark tunnel. Them me did have to do it, my love. I'm sorry. So all who will have me up and bash me up a whole heap of blood clot I go through. And then
Sacrifice a call up, mama.
of course.
Yeah, man. Sacrifice a call up.
A
Any means
football
necessary.
company make me turn
Outside.
up at Jamaica, you know. When I get on the papers and I go to America, and I don't trust nobody, not even a man, because a man when me there with, fuck me over and make me end up back at Jamaica. Me never know say things there in the house. Me never know say things there in the house. Me da work with Capital One Bank in a Houston, Texas, them time there. Me I work in a Capital One Bank in a Houston, Texas. And the boy make me move from Philly, come down the car work. I couldn't get no work at Philly. And him gone to Texas, gone left me. And I say, you know, I come down the Congo and stay with you and find a work. And I get the little calling center work in a credit card department with Capital One them time there. I come from work and I go in and mind my own business. Never know say it was a fuck up complex. Me just come from Philly. Me no know Texas. And I get the little work. I come from work and I police them that in the man them place, and through me go walk up to the door, them grab me in the house, and as so comes everybody me get freed.
I saw
And
you
as
come
so
and
me
guess
get
what?
freed. I
You pass
never
the
know say
worst,
the man
man.
have drugs in the
You
house.
still not live like the worst. You pass the worst. So everything is
Of
a reason, you
course.
know?
And
Everything
that
is a
alone get
reason.
me in a problem. I make me end up
Yeah.
come back home.
You could have worse. I
No,
could have bad man. Did
no.
they wait to retaliate or something?
Don't trust because the man when me did he should have protect me because him know say me a young girl. Him know me ambitious and he know me a girl who just a try make it. He see me yell me left and give up all of my family them and everything at Philadelphia and come at Texas come stay with you and you set me up them way there. You could protect me.
I could have somebody in fuck with and you then catch and kill a few.
True.
So everything happen for a good reason. Yeah, mama. You're there Jamaica, you're not suffer, you're star, see how you do your thing. Want to elevate with the business.
Right now, him hear bag of things about him in Texas. The amount of fuckery go on with him. If me hear fuckery go on with him, till him all get all. The amount of fuckery when me hear about all that boy there. And all the people might watch me for my life, them know who me I talk about because them know him. Him never did care about me. I never young Yankee boy, I'm a Jamaican boy. And Jamaican boy, young youth, me and him a build together. I go work every day at TGI Fridays. Him used to come and work for me, cause him a youth, him a hustling little money. So you two we used to put together and get to apartment at Philly. Things start get rocky in a Philly. And me go end up losing little work. Me that try to balance them time they when time in. Him never done make no money like that. And me say, alright, me still at work. Sometimes me used to make him come at TGI Fridays and sit down at my table like him a customer. And eat all food. And me used to take up my little tip money and pay the bill like a him pay feet.
Yeah, good little girl in China.
Them time them used to do all type of things to the youth. And him same one time I go blood clot Texas. Him never forget him buy me one Ford Taurus. One Ford Taurus him buy me and the Ford Taurus a couple times them a blood clot drive it in a Texas. He brought down he lose eat enough time a day in a blood clot
Somebody
Texas.
but at least he's still in America. Stupid ass. I like yeah, black for me, you see. Yeah,
Him still in America. Him still in America, but he's not living better than me because he can't
they
go
don't
nowhere.
understand what you meant by it. Shana, don't pay no mind. Well, at least he's still in America, yeah, man.
He's still in America and he can't live. Him not live good. Him cannot live good. Him life miserable. Since you say you know him, what him name? Glamour, what him name? Type him name since you know him. Type him name. If you know him, I got me tell you if I true or a lie. Since you come somehow know enough, you know. So always.
Shamara, big
Let me
dancer.
tell you something. Not because you're in America doesn't define that you cannot Wayne? Who the fuck is Wayne?
I tell you,
Anyway,
I'm gonna see Wayne coming to shot
I must in
I'm
a
gonna see.
shuttle.
Fuck up with little Wayne though.
Yeah, him can't even move too. Him can't even
What you
travel.
drink a while ago, Shana?
Eh?
What you drink a while ago?
Me I drink white rum.
What kind of cup? A plastic cup or a glass cup?
Eh?
A plastic cup or a glass cup?
A glass cup.
Oh. Actually, look
Me
like a
not
day
drink
nice.
on paper. That's why
How
me
many
talk
call
to you
it?
and tell them a story. Me not telling them a story. Me not telling the story. I'm not give a damn if anybody want to use it and cuss me. I first me ever open and talk about this. And there's many more to come. Me only telling you it because I want to get to know me differently from when you hear. You understand me? Me not hide nothing or nothing. My trim tree dropped down long time and me, I feel like my story can be a motivation to others so other females can open up them eye and be careful. Now make nobody go in the bag for all a foreign. Do not make nobody go in the bag for all. Don't make nobody give you nothing to all. Don't allow anybody in our house and don't keep on the eyes on them. Because look at the fact of the matter is he was my man. Man he got through all type of things and went there for years. And him still fuck me over. Him should have protected me at the time. Cause him know say me a young girl. I try, my family sent for me come America and him still fuck me over. You
Oh,
cannot sleep with your enemy and don't know. You can deal with somebody who envy you and you don't know. So you have to be careful and wise up as a woman. You see, sometimes through the cocky too sweet and we in love and we dey you have to always make the dirty boy know you're alert so as he sleeping blood clot slide. Every man I meet there with lately, me make them know me paranoid and mad no blood clot, so they afraid for fuck up. Of course, I him get the worst side. Italian get the worst side. That's why I see with him because I'm paranoid. Everybody thinks I'm easy and I'm soft.
oh
Him go
God.
through it because I'm in paranoidness and I now put my expectations to no level. And me
Can't with him
explain, I
though.
talk to him and I tell him things and because I want him know say yo bro, me have man who come around me and them do the most and do the best and them still come round come be a mistake. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. So me I make sure so I'm telling them a story when I can go over blood clot, the all crosses, all witch. Tell her my business so she can use it and take it tell me. And that is how the story become from the gully to the money because I came to Jamaica and I had to do what I had to do. When you can blood clot stay there and don't want break generational curse. When you can stay there and don't want to break generation curse, make the opportunity pass now and see. Regardless if you don't fuck somebody who's going to help you, when I go give you the fuck same way to somebody who's not and it's gonna be a waste of time. So might as well wanna fuck somebody who's going to do something for you. Okay? The package now go come all the time nice and pretty and cool, cute, this, that. They go come ugly one time because my one they come dirty and muddy in one dirty shirt. And I eat the world keep and I use and I beat my bad. But that man have did a great job for me and he did a lot for me. Even though he didn't take up him and say, yo, let me put you upon this, let me put you back. The fact that he gave me the chance to play as his manager and do all of the things they want me do in Jamaica, it put me on the map on a level where I can also help myself. Enough man no want see no woman do something for themselves because them afraid you got one day you can do without them. You hear me? So if you see a man and you there so you sell the Pepsi and he can't, they are happy for you sell the Pepsi and help you make money off of the Pepsi, left the dirty boy.
Hot Pepsi, you drink rum with chin.
No, Red Bull.
Oh.